I am Akriti and I am representing Rachna Sagar Publications. We feel great pleasure in launching our Together with Phygital books in a completely new format. We hope these books will help you secure 100% marks in your CBSE board examinations. These books' study material will prove as a boon for the students and teaching fraternity. Let's now discuss some of the salient features of our Together with Phygital books. Each chapter starts with a mind map which is covered in 1 or 2 pages. Our mind map is designed stepwise according to NCERT books. Our books include ample number of questions related to competency-based questions, constructed response type questions like MCQs, VSA, LA, essay, etc. Our MCQs will help the child in gaining confidence and to know where they stand in their preparation. MCQs is categorized in 2 levels. Level 1 mostly includes knowledge-based questions and Level 2 includes competency, analytical type questions which will help the child in entrance examinations as well. Our book comprises of 2 sets, self-evaluation tests which can be combined and taken as unit tests. We also do have 2 practice tests. Half of the chapters are covered in first practice test and the remaining chapters are covered in next practice tests. We also do have 3 practice papers which will help the child in practicing the whole syllabus. Our questions include NCERT based questions, also KVS, DOE, competency based questions and previous year questions from 2015 to 2024, which will help the child in knowing which type of questions are included in their question papers, and they will practice very well and it will help the child to gain 100% marks. Let's now discuss some of the exclusive features of our Together with Phygital books. We do have many QR codes. Firstly, we do have QR code which include the detailed theory of the chapter that is included in the mind map. We also do have many MCQs. Those are extra MCQs and the answers of those MCQs are also included so that the child will gain confidence and know where they are lacking. We also do have extra question and answers for extra practice. In our Together with Phygital books, we also do have a very special feature, that is augmented reality. The child can scan the image and see the animated videos because why learning should be boring. Also, we do have live video option. The child can download the app and see the live videos and learn in an interesting way. Our Together with Phygital books are a complete package for fun learning and evolving. We hope that these books will help you secure 100% marks in your CBSE board examinations. We hope that you will ace your examinations. All the best. Keep learning, keep evolving. Thank you.